Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2,283rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Please remember, before we get involved, this is a very risky game. Never trade without stops. Put stops in first, and know that you can lose more than you have in your trading accounts if you are in options or futures the wrong way. Never trade without stops, kids. All right, so for last night, for Monday night for trading on Tuesday, I put this very chart before your eyes and said double tops and the Dow Jones. What does that mean? Well, we had a double top here, and the market reacted with a down move. And then we had a double top here, and the market reacted with a down move. This is on a weekly chart, by the way. We had a double top here, and the market reacted with a down move. Then we put in a double top here, and the market reacted with a down move. And last night I said we are at a double top. I don't know that the market has to react with a down move, but let's take a breather. That was on the weekly chart, and then I said, well, let's go look at the daily. We'll see what that looks like. Dow Jones on the daily is the exact same thing, and yes, on Tuesday we took a little bit of a breather. The market came down just a little bit. Now, is it reacting to this double top, and will it have its pullback? We're going to find out in the next 24 to 48 hours, according to what I'm seeing here. So be prepared. We are not buying and maybe not even selling on Wednesday. We'll see what sets up. I do have some trades set up, but it all depends on what this does and how those trades set up. So that's what it looks like in your Dow Jones, in your Dow Jones Industrial Average. This should say Dow Jones Industrial, by the way. That's an IY. Let me just correct that so no one gets the wrong code. So it's the DJIY you're looking at, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now we're going to look at the Dow Jones Transportation Average. And showed this to you in last night's video as well, and said, look, we just dropped off the top of this channel, and we smacked into an average. This channel seems to create drops once the top's been hit, right, bottom to top, or even here if you want to look at that. So, gets near the top, drop. Gets to the top, drop. Gets back to the top, why not drop, right? Which is what's going on here. So I also said let's watch out for that. We'll hold off on trading on Tuesday. And you know what? That was bravo advice. Very well done. And we'll see, we'll handle this one day at a time at livewithoscar.com. You can certainly find me there. But we're not done yet, kids. Check this out. Here. Check out Shop. S-H-O-P. Shopify. I've been getting buy signals from the OMNI. And this right here, I would consider this to be a bull flag. Right inside that rectangle. And, of course, there's a lot of room inside of this bull flag because let's say you gyrated just a little bit inside the bull flag. You can go from 1425 to 1525 inside of the flag. All right, so be a little careful. However, I am getting buy signals in a bull flag, and that doesn't bother me at all. So we may be buying dips in Shop depending upon what sets up for trading on Wednesday. Make sure that you join me at livewithoscar.com. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Good luck trading on Wednesday, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.